Mr. Noynoy, naka-off ka, naka-off po ang inyong mic.
Isahan tayo, isahan.
Gege. Ge, simulan mo. Intro.
Ulit-ulit sa una, lagay mo sa una. Good evening po, good morning, good afternoon, sir, everyone. Kami po magre-report ni Rachel Mendoza about Kruskal-Wallis test.
The Kruskal-Wallis test is a non-parametric statistical test used to determine whether there are statistically significant differences between the medians of 3 or more independent groups. It is an extension of the Mann-Whitney-U test for multiple groups and does not require the assumption of normality in the data.
Purpose: to compare 3 or more independent groups to determine if they come from the same distribution. Often used when the assumptions of parametric tests like ANOVA, normality, and homogeneity of variances are not met.
Assumptions. The observations are independent within and across groups. The dependent variable is at least ordinal, can be ranked. The groups being compared are independent, no paired or repeated measures. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. All groups have the same median. Alternative hypothesis. At least one group has a different median.
So there's an advantage at disadvantage. So for disadvantage, does not assume normal distribution suitable for ordinal data. Second is, can handle data with unequal group sizes. And then sa disadvantage naman, is less powerful than ANOVA if parametric assumptions are met. Then last one is, does not provide information about the direction or size of the difference without post-hoc analysis.
Then the formula po is N is total number of observation across all groups. Then K is number of groups. Ri is sum of ranks for group. Ni number of observation in group. Rank data. Combine all data points from all groups and assigned ranks. The smallest value gets ranked. The next smallest rank is 2 and so on. Tied values are assigned the average of their ranks. Then determine the significance. H is compared to the chi squared or x squared distribution with k minus 1 degrees of freedom. If the p-value is less than the chosen significance level, reject HO.
Ay ko na lang ha. Ang researcher wants to determine if 3 different teaching methods, so A, B, and C, result in different test scores. The test scores out of 100 from students in each group are as follow. So, group A, teaching method ng group A is nakuha ng mga students is 85 89, 78, 92, 88. Sa group B, teaching method, 76, 81, 80, 74, 77. Then, sa last group na C is 90, 92, 85, 91, 89. Then, yung step 1, combine data and rank. Then, step 2, calculate rank sums. Then, for the step 3 is compute the test statistics. Then, step 4 is determine significance. Thank you.